So you did them this morning?
Yeah.
The water balloons? I'm recording. You guys got 20 water balloons.
These two are just wasted them. Get him, Marcus.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh!
Oh, that looks so good.
The rod's gone.
My pink balloon!
Pink.
Oh, you almost got you.
Oh, Uncle Roger's got a free balloon.
Oh yeah, there's big balloons!
Oh, it didn't even break!
Whoa!
Oh, that was good right there.
Oh yeah!
Here, Dad, point the camera that way so that I can play with them. Don't touch anything because it's on record. Don't touch any button. It's on record. Just hold it. There you go. Yeah, because yes. Don't touch it.
Oh no! Get away from me!
Mommy, you're my king!
Okay, I gotta put my phone away.
Oh yeah, I got it! Oh, Marcus, use mine.
Wow.
Get your brother. It's your chance to get your brother soaked. Get him. Get him. Keep throwing at him.
You still got the purple one?
Keep
Yeah.
throwing. Oh.
Okay, Auntie Kim's gonna get her.
Nice.
Oh, Cassandra!
Marcus,
Marcus!
these are yours. Marcus, these are yours over there. No, put those back. Those are your
Put those
brother's.
back.
Last water balloon up the door. Hey!
Oh. Almost got me, Nick. Oh, Papa's into it.
Another one.
Oh, Papa's gonna get you, Nick. Ah! Ah! Papa's getting you. Oh, he got you good.
Oh!
Oh, I missed that.
Hey, can I have your water balloon? Where are you going?
Is there...
Tanner did this.
Oh, that's a bird. That's a bird. I'm ducking for a bird. No, none left.
Attack on her dad.
Papa. Happy birthday.
Oh, Nicholas get Papa back. No balloons left, Dad.
I don't have any. Can I have some more balloons?
No, we'll leave him alone for now.
She got you good, didn't she? She drenched you.
Oh, it's a good thing because that's where I keep my phone.
Where did it go?